we are going to see how to download Python, install Python, and then open Python and write code on it. So let's start with our step 1, which is download Python. So I have my browser open. You can type download Python for Windows and then click enter. So it will take you to this page. Click on this link and then you can click on this big yellow button here. So it will ask you to save in a location. So I'm going to save in this folder. So you can choose any folder you want and you can save it. Click on save. So now my file is saved. Now let's go to step 2, which is to install the downloaded file. So I go and open my folder. This is where I saved the file. Now I double click on it. And now Windows will give me a warning that I'm trying to install an app which is not verified by Microsoft. It is okay. Click on install anyway. Choose the first option and then Python will start installing. So it is going to take some time to install. Once you install it completely, you will get the finished screen. So I am installing the 32-bit version. 32-bit version is sufficient for a beginner. Later, if you want, you can change to a 64-bit, which is if your laptop supports it. So once you complete this, you will get the finished screen. So it's going to take a while to complete. So I'm going to stop the recording here, and once you get the finished screen, we can move to step 3. It's saying setup was successful. Now I'm going to show you step 3, which is how to open Python and write code. Go here and then I have it here, but let me show you where you can find it. So you go up to P and then you will find Python. Okay, so click on this IDLE Python, click on that and it will open a screen. When you open the screen for the first time, it will be in white background. That's okay. Now you can click on file and create a new file. Okay, let me move this file here. Let me close this. So now I can click on this file and save as. I can save it in any location I want. So let me go here and let me call this test file. Click on save. So now this file is saved. Now I can write something here and I can run the code. Don't worry about this. I will walk you through this in later. But right now I'm just showing you how to open this window and then click on new, open a new file, and then how to save a file. If any of you do not have a laptop, or if you're not able to install Python on your laptop for some reason, then I have another option for you, and let me show you that. Okay, so you can click open your browser and then type online compiler for Python and click enter, and then you can choose this option, which is online Python compiler. This will open a Python environment for you. You can write your code here. So let me write print welcome to codePannu. And if you click on this green button, which is a run button, your code will be executed and you can see your output here. So this will be a good environment for you to write your code in case you don't have Python installed. So see you in the next video where we can start exploring Python a lot more in detail.